Imagine starting a YouTube channel and getting monetized in just a few weeks. Sounds impossible? Stay tuned to discover the secrets behind the fastest monetized channels. Becoming a YouTuber is like being both a marathon and sprint athlete. The majority will resemble marathoners, taking a year or two, sometimes even longer, to build their channel and achieve success. Some may never reach the finish line, despite their efforts. On the other hand, there are the sprinters, those rare creators who achieve success significantly faster, skyrocketing to fame in a matter of months with viral content. This video is for you if you are tired of becoming a marathoner. You want to be a sprinter. Why should I watch this video? This video reveals the ultimate strategies for fast-tracking your YouTube monetization, offering a unique analysis of 15 successful videos. We provide you with actionable tips and proven techniques. It will boost your channel's growth and revenue success. In this video, there's no blah blah blah, just 100% important content. Hi everyone, welcome to Think is Visual. In today's video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of YouTube monetization and reveal how some channels achieve this milestone incredibly quickly. Whether you're a budding creator or just curious, you'll find this journey inspiring and educational. Good news, everyone! YouTube has significantly lowered the bar, allowing creators to monetize their content once they have minimum 500 subscribers and at least 3 uploaded video within 90 days and 3,000 watch hours within a year. This reduction enables aspiring creators to earn from their videos earlier, empowering them to monetize their passions sooner. To better visualize this, let's convert these watch hours into minutes. 3,000 hours. Time, 60 minutes per hour equal to 180,000 minutes. So, achieving 3,000 watch hours means your content has been viewed for a total of 180,000 minutes. If you have one video only with the duration of 10 minutes and assuming 100% viewed, then your video should be watched 18,000 times. If your monetization target is 30 days, the average daily views should be 18,000 viewers divided by 30 days equal to 600 daily viewers. If, realistically, the average viewer only watches 30% of the video, then to achieve 600 minutes of total watch time per day, you would need 2,000 daily views. This is calculated by dividing 600 minutes by 30%, which equals 2,000 daily views. Let's say you make a 10-minute video weekly. This means you will have 4 videos in a month. To find the average daily views per video, you would divide 2,000 daily views by 4, which equals 500 daily views per video. Does that sound realistic? To achieve 500 subscribers in 30 days, you need to break down the goal into daily targets. Daily subscribers equal to monthly target divided by number of days. So you need approximately 17 new daily subscribers. So, what strategies will you implement to achieve your watch hour target and boost your subscriber count? We'll explore these topics in the next chapter. We will explore how to identify the parameters of a YouTube video. Only those parameters are available to us as viewers. The number of views, likes, comments, subscribers, and age of the video. 1. Number of views. Check the number of views. This gives you a quick snapshot of how popular a video is. High view counts indicate that the video has reached a large audience. 2. Number of likes. Look at the number of likes. Likes are a good indicator of how much viewers enjoyed the content. A high like-to-view ratio suggests strong viewer approval. 3. Number of comments. Comments provide valuable insights into audience engagement. The number of comments shows how actively viewers are interacting with the content. More comments typically mean more engagement. 4. Number of subscribers. Don't forget to check the number of subscribers. This number reflects the overall popularity and loyalty of the channel's audience. More subscribers usually mean a more successful channel. 5. Age of the video. Consider the age of the video. Video with high engagement metrics that's also relatively new is a good sign of recent success. Conversely, older videos with consistent engagement indicate long-term value. Next, comment-to-view ratio. This ratio measures how often viewers leave comments compared to the total number of views. A higher comment-to-view ratio indicates a highly engaged audience that feels compelled to share their thoughts and opinions. This can be a sign of strong viewer interest and community engagement around your content. Next, like-to-view ratio. This ratio shows how many viewers liked your video relative to the total number of views. A higher like-to-view ratio suggests that your content is well received and appreciated by your audience. Hello everyone, today I'm excited to share an in-depth analysis of YouTube monetization strategies. I started by collecting around 40 videos that focus on fast monetization techniques. From these, I carefully selected 15 videos for a more detailed analysis. Every one of the 15 videos has been assigned a specific number. For simplicity and clarity, we'll refer to each video by its assigned number instead of its title. Let us create two tables, input tables and output tables. We have included only the data available for viewers. The output table is generated using the formulas we discussed earlier. I also captured the thumbnails and performed a detailed image analysis. I assessed key visual elements such as color contrast, text clarity, engaging faces, relevant visual elements, and overall design and layout. Each thumbnail was rated on these criteria. To ensure a comprehensive understanding, I also gathered the transcriptions of these videos for further examination. Additionally, we analyzed the video titles and descriptions for each of these selected videos. Those parameters, title, description, thumbnail, and transcription, become input to be processed in the qualitative analysis. The output of this analysis is structured into 4 key categories, mirroring the input parameters. These categories include the title, description, thumbnail image, and transcription of each video. Through meticulous examination and comparison within each category, the analysis aims to identify the most effective and engaging elements within each video. We will conduct 2 types of analysis: quantitative, related to numerical data, and qualitative, related to text and image data. The results from these analyses will be compared to identify any alignments and discrepancies. The following is the quantitative analysis based on the performance of video parameters: number of views, likes, comments, subscribers, and the age of the video. The highest number of views is 2.7 million. Note that this is a 2-year-old video. We will divide with the age of video later for a fair comparison. The highest number of subscribers is 2.94 million. Note that this channel was started 10 years ago. We will divide the views by the number of subscribers later. The highest number of likes is 95,000. Note that this is a 2-year-old video. We will divide the likes by the number of viewers. The highest number of comments is 4,447. Note that this is a 2-year-old video. We will divide the comments by the number of viewers. Average daily view. The formula is views divided by age in days. Video 4 has strong performance and viewer engagement. View to subscribe ratio. The formula is views divided by subscriber. Video 4 showcases its ability to attract viewers relative to its subscriber base. Likes to views ratio. The formula is likes divided by views in percent. Video 2 has strong viewer approval and interaction. Comments to views ratio. The formula is comments divided by views in percent. Video 8 sparks viewer discussion and interaction. Qualitative analysis on the video title, description, thumbnail, and transcription. Start by generating a set of questions for each rubric. For example, these questions belong to the best title rubric. The answers could be a simple yes or no. If we want to respond to the questions with different levels of answers, we should convert the answers into a scaled format with corresponding scores. The full rubric for the best title category is provided below. For every rubric, follow the guidelines in the Excellent column to maximize the impact of your title. What can we learn from video title analysis? Let's find out. Here, we have 4 video title categories: Best Title Rubric, Most Catchy Title Rubric, Best Title for SEO Rubric, and Best Title for Audience Engagement Rubric. The scores for each category for all 15 videos are shown here. Titles 5 and 9 deserve high scores due to their exceptional performance across multiple critical categories. Title 5 excels in Most Catchy Title and Best Title for Audience Engagement, scoring a perfect 100 in both, which indicates its strong ability to grab attention, evoke emotions, and engage viewers effectively. It also maintains high scores in Best Title and Best Title for SEO, demonstrating its overall balance and appeal. Similarly, Title 9 achieves the highest scores in Best Title and Best Title for SEO, reflecting its clear, relevant, and well-optimized nature. What conclusions can we reach from the video description analysis? Let us explore. Here, we list 4 rubrics under video description categories: Best Description, Best Coverage of Description, Most Related Description, and Best Optimization for Monetization. The results in this category are as follows. Video 1 deserves to have high scores across all categories because it excels in providing a clear, engaging, and comprehensive description that perfectly matches the video content. Its description is highly detailed, specific, and accurate, ensuring viewers have a precise understanding of what to expect. Additionally, it demonstrates exceptional optimization for monetization through effective use of affiliate links, strong calls to action, well-integrated product promotions, and clear sponsorships. This comprehensive and strategic approach not only enhances viewer engagement, but also maximizes potential revenue, making it a standout example of how to craft an effective video description. Now, let us delve into the insights from the video thumbnail analysis. The rubrics for this category are most visually appealing, best thumbnail for clarity, most engaging thumbnail, and most actionable thumbnail. Based on the analysis, the conclusions are as follows. Videos that scored highly across the categories of most visually appealing, best thumbnail for clarity, most engaging thumbnail, and most actionable thumbnail, such as Video 1, deserve these high scores due to their exceptional use of vibrant and contrasting colors, clear and bold text, high resolution and relevant imagery, and engaging facial expressions or actions. These thumbnails are well composed and balanced, ensuring that the key message is immediately obvious and easy to understand, which effectively captures attention and motivates viewers to take action. The overall design is not only visually appealing but also highly relevant and relatable to the target audience, enhancing both engagement and clarity. Finally, we have reached the last category, video transcription analysis. In this category, 4 rubrics are used: best transcription clarity, most detailed transcription, best transcription for engagement, and most actionable transcription. Let us observe the following results. Video 1 deserves high scores because it excels across all criteria, demonstrating exceptional clarity, detail, engagement, and actionable steps, making it the benchmark for transcription quality. Video 6, despite a lower clarity score, stands out with its outstanding engagement and actionable elements, ensuring the content is both captivating and practical for the audience. Video 11 consistently delivers high scores in detailed transcription, engagement, and actionable content, showcasing its ability to provide thorough, engaging, and implementable information, making it highly valuable and effective for viewers. The following is a summary of the qualitative and quantitative data. For each metric, the average and standard deviation are calculated. High, medium, and low categories are then defined. Let's convert the term high, medium, and low to numerical value. Add total score in the last column. Here are brief remarks on each video's performance. Since these 15 videos are top performers, their scores are highly competitive. As a bonus, a top 10 checklist for each category is provided here. Use this as a checkpoint before uploading your video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.